What's up, Dream Media family? This is Zach. Welcome back to another episode. Today, I'm out here at Just Video Walls headquarters in Fort Lauderdale, Florida. And I'd like to introduce this brand and give them the opportunity to really go over how they got started in the industry, all of the research that they did to really come to market, and talk about how they're different from some of the other options on the market. Dream Media has been attending all of the trade shows, checking out these monster video walls and doing our own research, and have determined that Just Video Walls is really on their game. I mean, the name speaks for itself. Just Video Walls, guys. As you can see, we got a crazy setup right here in a 32:9 aspect ratio. So we're gonna be talking about all the variances between the LED technologies, aspect ratios, and really taking a deep dive into educating our YouTube audience on video walls. Today, I'd like to introduce Skylar from Just Video Walls so that he can give you guys a little insight into their business. Let's go!
All right, thanks Zach for that introduction. I'm Skylar here with Just Video Walls, and I want to give you a little bit of information about who we are and why we exist. So Just Video Walls was formed about 2 years ago, but really our story starts well before that. You know, the founders of this company started as integrators, kind of like what Dream Media is doing in the commercial space, and we realized that micro LED is an upcoming technology and it is the future of display. And we had our third customer come to us asking for micro LED, which is this technology that you see on the wall behind us here. And we realized that we need to get into this as integrators. Well, that started about a 2-year nosedive of hitting a bunch of landmines and trying to figure out how to make this technology work for our customers. And let me tell you, we started off by going to all of the brands that exist today, the big name brands here in America and brands overseas, and nobody was helping us. We didn't get a single helping hand to try to figure out how to make this work for our customers. So we basically spent 2 years learning the process, learning the technology, hitting all the landmines, finding where all the dead bodies are hidden. And we went through that process and developed it and said, you know what? The residential market, people like Zach and Dream Media need this technology, and they need it in a way where it's gonna exist in a process that they can put this into your home and guarantee that it's gonna look amazing and that you're gonna love it. Because there's so many ways that it can go wrong. So that's why we formed the company. Now, what we sell is just video walls. We don't sell refrigerators, we don't sell microwaves, we don't sell cell phones and more profitable categories. We focus on one thing and one thing only, and that's video walls and perfecting that process and that technology for our integrators so that you can have the right experience in your home.
Big thanks, Skylar, for giving a little insight into Just Video Walls. Guys, I could not be more excited. As you guys have seen on our channel, Dream Media has been on a journey to deliver the ultimate home theater experience. And our home theaters, our home cinema builds have just been getting crazier and crazier. And we've had you guys from all around the country reaching out to us with unique projects. And we wanted to partner with the industry's best company for video walls, and Just Video Walls has it figured out, guys. They know every single processor, every single LED technology, all the aspect ratios, and they make it easy to digest so that we can quickly and efficiently get you guys pricing as well as have solutions on demand. If you're interested in learning more about Just Video Walls or anything audio video related, reach out today for a free video consultation with one of our specialists. We would love the opportunity to earn your business, and we are nationwide. You can also shop our online store at dreammediaav.com. We have everything from speakers, amplifiers, processors, projectors, screens, the whole 9 yards. All right, guys, well, that's all I got for you. If you like this video, give us a big thumbs up and be sure to smash that subscribe button down below for more. Till next time, this is Zach with Dream Media Home Theater. Thank you for watching. We'll catch you on the next one.